Guys, this is the first time I touched an M1000RR, guys. Look at this. I'm gonna do a quick walk around, guys. $46,000. Nope, not for me. I can't afford it, but beautiful. So this is the M1000RR. Look at the rims with carbon fiber cover or something. Maybe aerodynamic. Look at the winglet, huge. Wow. Look at that. Damn. Game over, guys. If I have this, game over. Wow. Look at that beauty, guys. Damn. Look at that front. Damn. Carbon fiber. I want to sit on it. I want to sit on it, guys. I'm on the M1000RR. It's too high. I can't reach the ground, guys. 5'8", guys. I can't. It's beautiful. See, look at my feet. Wow. Damn. All right, guys. So I'll show you the bike here at Concord BMW Motorcycles. So this is just the V4. It's not an all-in suspension. This is the V4S right here. And this is the V2 right here. And they have this, the L2. And this one, which I just got. Ole Andre, hi ka. And then I'm getting this jacket right here. So this Super Sport, I'll pass on that. So this one that I just got, I got this for $17. And guys, guess what? Here in Concord, $20,500. So I got lucky with that discount. $3,000 is a lot of money. So they have this Bayless too, V2. I'll show you the price, guys. It's $23,000, almost 24. And this is just this is a V4S, guys. All-in suspension, as you can see. I'll show you guys. All-in suspension. I don't like the winglet and the front all-ins too. And the price is, this is 2024. It is $33,685. At Elgro Power Sports, it is, oh, there's a V2. So the V4S is $29,000, I guess. 4,000 difference. Another V2 right here, the Storm Green or something, Street Fighter. I thought that they stopped making these V2s right now. Oh, pre-owned 2023, 795 miles, guys. And KTM's over there. I see R1M's over there. KTM's here. R1M over there, and MT10 SP over there, and some BMWs right here.